Here we are at our new listing in St. Catharines, most popular city of Canada's Niagara region. 8th largest urban area in the province of Ontario, also nicknamed as the Garden City due to its 1,000 acre of parks, gardens and trails. Only 5 minutes drive from QEW. This detached bungalow is built on a huge lot of 60 by 125 located on the north end of St. Catharines. With the huge driveway, you can park more than 6 cars in the driveway and 1 in the detached garage. Almost 900 square feet of living space above the ground, which offers 3 bedrooms, 1 full washroom and open concept kitchen along with a family room. Additionally, it has a fully finished basement with 1 bedroom, full washroom and a rec room for your winter entertainment. Backyard is full of privacy with gazebo and in-ground pool. Close to all amenities, 20 minutes to Brook University. If you want to book a private showing or to get more information, you can give me a call at 226-270-5000 or my business partner Narinder at 226-270-6000 from Gold Empire Realty.